What is your name?
My name is Diane Estrella.
What is your age?
I'm 27 years old.
Which year were you born?
I was born in 1988.
Do you have valid work permit and HK identity card?
No.
Do you have valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn enough money to help my family.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Tacloban, Leyte.
What is your level of education?
I'm a college level and vocational graduate.
Okay, are you married?
No.
Okay, so you are single.
Yes.
Do you have any children?
No.
How many people are you in your family?
We are 7 in the family.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you have any financial commitments to support any or all of them?
No.
Okay, if ever they will fall sick, who can take care of them?
My sister.
Okay, so do you have any debts or either here or in your home country?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
Not yet.
Okay, so how many years of experience do you have?
Almost 2 years.
Do you have any allergies for foods,
None.
and detergents?
None, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I stay calm and patient. I will still respect them and understand them.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Childcare.
How many hours each day do you work?
More than 8 hours a day.
Do you have any first aid certificate?
Yes, ma'am, because it's part of my caregiving course.
Okay, so if ever my child will be burnt their hand on the iron, what will you do?
I will wash their hand with cold and clean water and apply burnt ointment.
Okay, so if ever my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I will get his attention and make him do more creative things or play.
Okay, so are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Which cuisine are you familiar with?
Filipino cuisine.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I like dancing or reading books.
Okay, so do you have any message to the employer?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am, sir. Please hire me because I really need this job. I am willing to adjust and learn more. I have more than 2 years of experience in domestic and local.
Okay, so can you please recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.